Nestle Q3 numbers came in as well, and we are seeing Nestle as a top nifty gainer as of now. Mangalam, how were the numbers? Seems like a good one.
It's a solid set of numbers coming in from Nestle. In fact, one of the best that we've seen in a very long time from the consumer company. And similar to what happened last time as well, the street was working with a number of a few percentage points growth, and the company went ahead and blasted out a double-digit revenue growth. This time around, the street had upped its expectations, taken it to double-digit, and now the company has gone ahead and reported an 18% revenue growth. So 18.5% revenue growth for Nestle in this quarter is actually the highest that we've seen across the FMCG sector so far. And that will go down as a massive beat. And not just that, the EBITDA has come in at 1,200 crores. The street was working with a 1,200 crore number itself. So there has been a slight, miss on margins, but there is nothing really to worry about. Why is that? Because the company has said that they've increased consumer-focused media and advertising spending by about 42%. And as a result of which, the revenues have shown. And this is something that the street would like, especially because all the other FMCG companies aren't showing this kind of growth. So if you're paying a top multiple for Nestle trades at around 66, 67 times, which is a much bigger premium than all the other companies. So if you're paying that top dollar, the company better show growth. And over the last 2 quarters, under Manish Tiwari's leadership, it has shown growth. What is it that has led growth this time around? Domestic business grew about 18.5%. Exports, which is a much smaller part of their business, grew around 23%. And more importantly, the largest contributor to growth was their confectionery segment, and that too coming in from the rural area. So Kit Kat, Munch, all the Nestle chocolates doing extremely well in rural India, where the company has been taking their presence higher, and as a result of which showing that sort of volume growth is something that the street likes. 18 quarters in a row. The other parts of the business have done well as well, which includes the likes of powdered and liquid beverages, which has basically coffee and milk products, prepared dishes and cooking products as well, which includes the likes of Maggi, showed about double-digit value growth too. This is pretty similar to what the company had told us during the quarter as well, where Manish Tiwari did say to us that, this year and the year after will be a good year of growth. They will hold margins between 22 to 24% while they increase their ad spends, and rural should grow at least 1.5 times their core business. That exactly has happened. So a very good set.
Very good set. Rural, surely in terms of the confectionery side, where they're growing, and that's led to the growth. So Kit Kat sales are increasing, their confectionery sales are increasing. Thanks so much for that, Mangalam.